Bands banging beats behind the bar door. My boots are ready, rhythm in my soul. Piano pounding, I'm losing control. Turn it up, crank it loud. Dancing feet, rocking crowd. Boots and keys make the sweetest sound. Stomping hard on this party ground. Piano playing while my heart beats free. Harmonica humming that melody. Boots and keys, boots and keys. Tonight we're wild as we wanna be. Bartenders busy, bottles clinking bright. Stars are shining on Saturday night. My friends are laughing, music's in the air, spinning around without a single care. Turn it up, crank it loud. Dancing feet, rocking crowd. Boots and keys make the sweetest sound. Stomping hard on this party ground. Piano playing while my heart beats free. Harmonica humming that melody. Boots and keys, boots and keys. Tonight we're wild as we wanna be. When morning comes calling, I'll still be falling in love with this feeling. My heart keeps on reeling. Boots and keys make the sweetest sound. Stomping hard on this party ground. Piano playing while my heart beats free. Harmonica humming that melody. Boots and keys, boots and keys. Tonight we're wild as we wanna be. Boots and keys, boots and keys. Dancing wild and feeling free.
Another day, another dollar. Clock keeps ticking on the wall. Same old boots, same old collar. Ain't much different after all. Coffee's cold again this morning. Radio's playing that same old song. Boss man's voice is like a warning. Everything I do comes out wrong. But I'm still running down this gravel road, still carrying this heavy load. When the world keeps pushing me around, I dig my heels into the ground. Still running, still running. Yeah, I'm still running. Mama always said I'm stubborn, said I'd never learn to bend. But every time I think I'm broken, I find the strength to start again. 'Cause I'm still running down this gravel road, still carrying this heavy load. When the world keeps pushing me around, I dig my heels into the ground. Still running, still running. Yeah, I'm still running. From the bottom over to a town where the cotton grows, where the women sit on porches and everybody knows your name, but they don't know the fire that's burning deep inside your soul. When you're 17 and restless, and you're playing someone else's game. So I packed my bags and left that place. Thought the city'd set me free, but concrete walls and traffic jams ain't what they cracked up to be. Now I'm pushing 40, got some gray up in my hair. Still chasing something I can't name, but I know it's waiting somewhere. Every scar's a lesson learned. Every bridge that I have burned led me to this moment here, where I'm finally seeing clear that I'm still running down this gravel road, still carrying this heavy load. When the world keeps pushing me around, I dig my heels into the ground. Still running, yeah, I'm still running. Yeah, I'm still running. Same old boots, same old collar, but I'm still standing after all. Still running, yeah, I'm still running.
Best country channel, Yellowstone Sound. Follow us. Kisses.